52 Surah At-Tur. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. By the Tur and by a book inscribed in punishment unrolled, and by Al-Baitul Ma'mur, and by the roof raised high, and by the sea kept filled. Verily the tournament of your Lord will surely come to pass. There is none that can avert it. On the day when the heavens will shake with a dreadful shaking, and the mountain will move away with a horrible moment, then woe that day to the deniers who are playing in falsehood, the day when they will be pushed down by force to the fire of hell with a horrible forceful pushing. This is the fire which you used to deny in the magic, or do you not see? Taste your therein its heat, and whether you are patient or impatient, it is all the same. You are only being required for what you used to do. Verily, the muttaqin, she will be in gardens and delight, enjoying that which their Lord has bestowed on them, and their Lord saved them from the torment of the blazing fire. Eat and drink with happiness because of what you used to do. They will recline on thrones arranged in ranks, and we shall marry them to Hur with white lovely eyes. And those who believe and whose offspring follow them in faith, to them shall we join their offspring, and we shall not decree the reward of their deeds in anything. Every person is a pledge for that which he has earned, and we shall provide them with fruit and meat such as they desire. There they shall pass from hand to hand a cup free from any lagw and free from sin, and there will be go round by servants of theirs to serve them as if they were preserved perils, and some of them draw near to others, questioning, saying after aforetime, we are afraid in the midst of our families. So Allah has been gracious to us and have saved us from the torment of the fire. Verily we used to invoke him before. Verily he is Al-Bar, in the most merciful. Therefore remind, by the grace of Allah, you are either a soothsayer or a madman, or do they say, a poet? We wait for him some calamity by time. Say, wait, I am with you among the waiters. Or do their mind command them this? Are they a people transgressing all bounds? Or do they say, he has forged it? Nay, they believe not. Let them then produce a discourse light, if they are truthful. Or were they created by nothing? Or were they themselves the creators? Or did they create the heavens and the earth? Nay, but they have no firm belief. Or are they with them the triers of your Lord? Or are they tyrannized with the authority to do as they like? Or have they a straightway by means of which they listen? Then let their listeners produce some manifest proof. Or has he only daughters, and have you sons? Or it is that you, so that they are burdened with the load of debt, or that the Ghaib is with them, and they write it down? Or do they intend a plot? But those who believe are themselves plotted against. Or have they an ilah other than Allah? Glorified is Allah for all that they ascribe as partners. And if they were to see pieces of the heavens falling down, they would say, clouds gathered in heaps. So leave them alone till they meet their day. in which they will sink into a fainting. The day when their plotting shall not avail them to at all, nor will they be helped, they will receive their torment in hell, and verily of those who do wrong there is another punishment before this, but most of them know not. So wait patiently. Decision for your Lord, for verily you are under our eyes, and glorify the praise of your Lord when you get up from sleep, and in the night time also glorify his praise, and at the setting of the stars.